Hello, I'm in a 2013 Mazda CX-5, and today I'm going to show you to use your front and rear defrost settings. So down here, this will turn on your front defrost, and this turns on your rear defrost. And then just push them again to turn it off. Or for this front, you can also turn it off by pushing this button, or by just turning the fan really low. Because this front one is controlled now by the fan, because there's no fan that pushes air up through the front. And then over here you can control how hot you want it or cool you want it. And sometimes even if it's really hot, you might still want this AC activated, because that AC option can help pull moisture out of the air so this doesn't fog up. And you can turn that one off with this. And then these setups can help control if you've got these separated or not. Not really pertinent to this defrost tutorial, but just so you know. And then this rear one, the way that works is, if you can see in the video, there's some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are a heating mechanism. So when you've got it activated for the defrost, those would turn on and start trying to melt any ice that might be back there. When you're done with that, just turn this off. And if these aren't working for some particular reason, first thing I would check are your fuses. Maybe burnt fuse would make the system inoperable. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.